Welcome to the new UI widgets tutorials. This tutorial is about UI themes. This is a tool for customizing the appearance of widgets and centralized customization management. It is useful even if you do not want to use different themes. For example, you have a couple dozen prefabs and you want to adjust colors or replace sprites. It can be an annoying task to change settings for each of them and be sure you do not miss anything. The theme allows you to control and change colors and sprites from one place. Now I will show you how to work with themes. First you need to create a theme, then the theme editor will open. Set theme as default. The first created one will be already specified as default. Variation is color scheme. It includes not only colors but sprites, textures and fonts. As you can see, themes has already predefined variations with options. Values in the initial variation will be used to find or create option when you use the attach theme command. You can clone existing variations or create a completely new one and filter them by name. You can add a new option, filter them by name and reorder. Now we can add a theme target component to use the theme with a specific game object and then select options for the component's properties. But there is a better way to do this. Go to the context menu, UI, UI themes, attach themes or attach themes and create options. As you can see, options already selected based on initial variation values. You can change the colors and sprite, then use update theme values to update the corresponding option value, or use apply theme to revert changes. Commands find and find or create will try to find an option by value in a specified variation, or create a new option if value was not found. Let's go back to the editor. I used attach theme and create option, and as you can see a new option was added. You can freely rename the options, it will not break anything. If you use a slash in the option name, it will be displayed as a nested menu. For each option you can check which object on the open scene use it. Now the theme is attached to the game object and you can change the active variation values. And changes are applied right away. Themes are not limited but predefined types: colors, sprites, textures and fonts. You can extend themes with custom types like font size or game object rotations. More details are in the documentation. That's all, thanks for watching.